Woolsey here. I hope that you all are doing great. I have my ears on for you today. We're going to talk a little bit today about AVON stocking stuffers. So now is the time to go ahead and start thinking about those fun things that you want to fill those little socks that are hanging from the fireplace. And I have great ideas for you. So let's hop in. I'm excited to share some of our AVON favorites forever, which is, of course, those mini hand creams. If I could face them towards the camera. Our mini hand creams that are so fun. Everybody needs one in their purse, in their truck, because we wash our hands 9 million times a day. So you need those hand creams. How about those lips? Mask wearing has my lips dried out. So check out these cute little chapsticks that you can get to fill up all your stockings and, give them something sweet to put on their lips. It's Christmas time. We need something sweet. But I haven't left anybody out. What about those toothbrushes and toothpaste? We have all those things. This toothbrush is one of my favorite. Let me turn it up here so you can see it. Look how wide it is. It is also a whitening toothbrush. So you need one of those for your stocking. Hi, Sandra. We're talking stocking stuffers. What are your favorite stocking stuffers? I love new toothbrushes and toothpaste. I think it's a great addition to the stockings. Now, I haven't left my beauty lovers out. Check out this Love in Paris palette. I do my makeup with this often. You guys see me do it. You know I love a great eye palette, which is wonderful for stockings for your beauty lovers, and they're going to need this. So, stocking stuffer eyeshadows. And check out this holographic lip gloss. It's so cute and it's so pretty on. I've got it on for you today. We have super cute jewelry and jewelry sets that will look great for your jewelry lovers. Check out that bracelet. Jewelry, you can't go wrong. Every girl loves jewelry, right? You need it in your life. What about those skincare lovers? So we have these cute little Belif sets. They are $20 and they come with a day cream, a night cream, a cleanser, and an eye balm. It's about a 2-week worth trial. It's great for travel, but it is a great way to give somebody a way to moisturize their face in this cold winter wind. I mean, all of our faces are drying out with the mask. You have the acne. You need the skincare to help average out and balance out that pH level, and it's going to help that mask acne go away. Hi, Angie. Welcome in. Hi, Sandra. So share with me in the comments, what are your favorite stocking stuffer ideas? What do you put in your stockings? We have tons more awesome stuff in our current Campaign 26 brochure. And if you are shopping on the week of December 7th, through 11th, we still, no, it's not, through December 5th, we still have our Cyber Monday deals going on, and you can get some free stuff, extra stuff to put in the stockings. I mean, you can't go wrong. So check those out at www.youravon.com/jwoolsey and get your stocking stuffers now. Get free shipping, get that stuff with the free gifts, and you will have all the fun things, and you will be the most loved Santa around your house. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for hopping on and joining me, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye, guys.